So from one grade to another, earlier this month, Timbaland faced an onset of backlash after he used AI to create an original verse from the late Notorious B.I.G. for a Dream collaboration. Now, the Grammy-winning producer has now revealed to Forbes that it was just part of a bigger plan to use AI, which is artificial intelligence software, to transform how songs are created. So the software used for the record was developed by Light Energy Labs, a Miami-based company co-founded by Timbaland in 2022. The filter technology has been in refinement for nearly 2 years and only recently became a high-quality tool to use in a song.
So Timbaland believes AI voice filters will allow for established acts to save time when collaborating with new posthumous work. Though he feels the quality of most AI voices is amateurish, he believes that the industry can benefit from, quote, high-grade voice filters and a verification system, end quote, to prove how authorization was obtained for the AI voice. He said that it's going to really be a new way of creating and a new way of generating money with less costs. I'm already here. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to lead the way. I don't want to be afraid of what's going on. I want to be the guy to figure out a solution, end quote.
All right, so the famed producer also noted that the Biggie collab won't be released without the permission of Biggie's estate, but it is the test subject for his new business venture. Part of his motive for embracing AI voice filters was to show Black Americans the benefits of early technological investments.
I agree 100%.
Yeah,
I mean,
why?
and really and truly, whether we agree or not, this is where
it's happening.
This is the future.
Can't stop it.
Yeah, I've been having a lot of meetings recently about this technology. So what it is what it's going to end up being is like a chain intellectual property.
Okay.
So of course your intellectual property is what you use to create the first works,
yes.
Right? So from these works now is what AI is going to use now and kind of rebuild your flow and your style and your the way how you deliver your music.
Right.
So there must still be a way to collect, for your estate to collect on your behalf whenever your works are used. Whenever your style is used, your swing, your flow, however you want to call it, there must be a way.
Yeah.
So I mean, that being said, I mean, who wouldn't want to do a collaboration with a Bob Marley? I would have loved to hear a Junior Gang song with a Bob Marley, a new Bob Marley verse.
True. The technology will help to do that.
I would have loved to hear Timbaland produce a song with Biggie and Tupac. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I think it would be really cool. And if it's possible, then why would you deprive the public of hearing those things?
Yeah, well, it's going to happen.
Imagine a Jimmy Cliff Bob Marley collaboration.
Whoa, go Odessa.
Just saying.
No, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. We can't stop it. Yeah, because let me see, chat, GPT, all the GPT, all the different things that are happening now with AI, you can't stop it. No. As a matter of fact, I might just write some.
As a matter of fact, Elon Musk was talking about that in the interview as well.
Oh, wow. So we went AI, but using technology to work from home is a challenge.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to have well, you don't have to work from home, you don't have to worry about getting to your office.
As a matter of fact,
Tesla will just carry you there.
As a matter of fact, I'll just use AI to work from home. You can take this.